Yo, what's up guys, my name is Akshay Dilip Kumar aka ADK and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing as I'll be posting a lot of beatbox related content and beatbox tutorials on this channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys the Psh Snare.
Beatbox.
The Psh Snare is one of the most basic snares in beatboxing and a really important sound for beatboxers to learn. To do the Psh Snare, first you guys need to know the kick drum, which is just an overpowered P sound, and I assume most of you guys know to do it. If not, check out the link in the description to learn the sound. And after you guys have the kick drum broken down, the next step is to add a sh sound after you do the kick drum to get the Psh Snare, like sh 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 psh 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 sh psh sh psh 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 sh psh 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 psh. And also keep in mind to keep the sh sound as short as you can to make the Psh Snare clean. So instead of a long Psh Snare like psh, make it short and clean like psh, 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 psh. And after you get the sound, a simple practice pattern would be and an intermediate pattern would be And that's pretty much it for this tutorial guys. I hope you people learn this sound or help you to get started with the sound. And if you people learn something new, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Or if you people got any doubts related to the sound, drop them in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram and share this video with your friends who might also want to learn beatboxing. So until the next video, keep learning and beatboxing. Ash.